Do you email internally and externally and want a different signature for both? Want your full signature to show when you first email someone, but a shorter signature once you're replying or forwarding after that? I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's productivity advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to create multiple signatures in Gmail in one easy step. In a Compose window, click on the pen icon, then Manage Signatures. From there, go to Create New. Once you have multiple signatures, you can choose different signatures for new emails versus reply or forward, and quickly alternate between saved signatures in your reply window. So there you have it. Create multiple signatures in Gmail in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.